Hello everyone, first of all, Happy New Year. We're starting off 2019 with a new recipe, a vegan cassoulet, which is a white bean stew that originates from southern France. Since white beans are the soul of this dish, it is easy to adapt it to a vegan preparation, where various types of vegetable sausages, smoked or marinated tofu, or seitan can be incorporated. The cassoulet is traditionally simmered over a long period of time, but my version for today is made in a pressure cooker, which nevertheless delivers an equally tasty dish, while considerably cutting through the cooking time. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you can also make it on the stovetop. You'll find the written instructions for this recipe on our website. Check the description for the link. I'm using white kidney beans in this recipe. You may also use cannellini beans or great northern beans. On the day before, place the beans in a bowl and cover with plenty of water. Let them soak for at least 8 hours or overnight. The next day, drain and rinse the beans and set them aside. To rehydrate the sun-dried tomato halves, place them in some hot water and leave to soak until softened. Meanwhile, prepare the rest of the ingredients. Chop the onions, garlic, carrots, tomatoes, and parsley. Once the sun-dried tomatoes are softened, chop them into small pieces. Do not discard the water as we will add it into the sauce. Once you're ready to start cooking, set the pressure cooker to saute mode. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil and then add the onion, garlic and minced ginger and saute for about 2 minutes. We shared some tips on how to make your own minced ginger at home in another video, so you may want to check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. Add the carrots and saute for another minute. Cancel the saute mode and add the soaked, drained, uncooked beans, parsley, sun-dried tomatoes along with the soaking water, the bouillon powder or cubes, cumin, a few drops of liquid smoke, the sprigs of thyme, water, and the bay leaves. Close the lid and place the valve in the closed position. Set the pressure cooker for 9 minutes at maximum pressure. I usually use the beans or chili setting and reduce the time to 9 minutes. While the beans are being cooked, heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a skillet. Add in the sausages and cook while occasionally turning them on all sides until they are done. You may leave the sausages whole, but I like to slice them into bite-sized chunks. Once the cooking time is up, allow the pressure to go down naturally for 10 minutes. Then release any remaining steam from the pressure cooker and open the lid. Remove the sprigs of thyme and the bay leaves. Add the sausages to the cooker and stir in the tomatoes. Place the regular glass lid on the cooker and set it to soup mode or manual cooking mode on medium temperature and simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes. Then cancel any remaining time. If you want the cassoulet to be a little soupy, add some water, or if you want to reduce the sauce to a thicker consistency, simmer uncovered. Taste and adjust the seasoning, then serve with bread. We hope you'll enjoy making this recipe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you've liked this video. Check out our website for the printable recipe and please rate the recipe on the blog too. If you happen to take a picture, tag us on Instagram at VeganLovlie, #VeganLovlie. We share a few more recipes on our blog, so make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and we'll email you every time we have a new recipe. We hope to be making more videos soon, so see you in our next video. Bye!